Today on the Geek Smack review, we're going to take a look at this. It's the HP RDX unit with 2 terabyte disk backup cartridges. Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine. Think magazine, put in a geek. You've got Geekazine for the Geek Smack review, where we take a look at products, we interview people, and of course the 5-minute Geek Smack reviews and a whole bunch more. You can check me out over at geekazine.com, Twitter Geekazine, or geekazine@gmail.com. You know, a few weeks ago, I conquered a challenge that a lot of small to medium businesses do not do: back up my data. My friends at HP sent me this RDX unit with 2 terabyte drives to try out. The RDX unit is an external or internal USB 3.0 disk backup storage unit. The key is it can work in place of that tape system you might have or might even still be using. The RDX removable backup system works by inserting the disk cartridges into the device, simply like this. You can then back up the way that you want. If it's a single computer, you can copy files or run an OS backup. If it's an enterprise server, schedule backups of the OS and files using the RDX software. It takes me back to one of my old IT jobs where every day I had to go into the server room and switch out a tape backup. We had 10 tapes to this system, 7 tapes labeled Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and that would give us 7 backup points if any problems occurred. I then had a monthly tape, I had a quarterly tape, and a yearly tape to run as well periodically. With the RDX system, it might not be that intense, maybe one for weekly, one for monthly, but you know, data is data, and it doesn't matter if the business is a small one or a large one. I'm a one-person shop myself. I mean, if I lose anything off of my computers, I could be set back or even completely devastated. Cloud backups are nice, but if problems occur, you want to restore as quick as possible. Even having to reload the operating system can take an hour or 2 out of my workday. That's why I backed up all of my OSs on one disk. The RDX unit is great for PC or Mac backup, and oh, well, by the way, did you know that you can tell a Mac to write to an Ntfs drive? By typing a couple lines in the terminal, you can actually identify an Ntfs partition and allow it to write in Mavericks. You can also format an RDX disk as exFAT to switch between Mac and PC if you prefer. RDX matches DoD encryption standards, so you can set your data as safe as you need. This is a hard drive in an enclosure, so you could even run it as a regular hard drive. Best part, the RDX disks are built for durability. How so? Well, not only do the disks have a 5,000 load-unload insertion and 10-year archival lifespan, they also have a 97% survival rate if dropped, just like this video shows. The cartridges are sealed, so they also are protected from dust and dirt, which is perfect if you run a warehouse and keep your backups stored in that environment. The HP RDX unit connects via USB 3.0, and the unit also requires a standard power adapter. You can choose external or internal unit, and there's even solutions for rack mounting more than one. So you can have one for Monday, Tuesday, switch it out Wednesday, switch it out Thursday, switch it out Friday. Disk cartridges come in multiple sizes up to 2 terabytes, which can store up to 4 terabytes of data compressed. Disk backups are important for anybody, from the person who needs them to keep pictures and invoices secure to the small to medium business or enterprise who runs daily backups. So what do you think of the RDX unit? Now, do you use tape backups still? Are you switching over to something and you want to try disk backup? Check out that drop test that I did between the RDX unit and a couple other hard drives that you might be using for backup, and check it out. If you have any questions, feel free to Twitter me over at Geekazine, geekazine@gmail.com, or just go over to geekazine.com and fill out the contact form information. My name is Jeffrey Powers. Thanks a lot for watching. We will see you next time on the Geek Smack review. Geek out.